Serena here for WW Magazine, and we're here at Animal Kingdom and we are ready to party. Actually, it's a party for the planet. It is Animal Kingdom's 20th anniversary. Can you guys believe it's been 20 years since Animal Kingdom opened? I mean, it's really hard to imagine a Walt Disney World without this fourth park. We're gonna show you some of the highlights of the day, including a look at the new bird show. It's called Up, A Great Bird Adventure. I think you guys will really enjoy checking that out, especially the singing parrot. He was a big hit. And we'll also show you some of the opening celebration with famous Disney Imagineer Joe Rohde, as well as the utility suit pilot that debuted in Pandora that talks to kids, especially about conservation. So come along with us and we'll show you some of the highlights of Animal Kingdom's 20th anniversary celebration.
Walt Disney Imagineering, please welcome Portfolio Creative Executive and World Traveler, Explorer, or what we like to call our resident genius, Joe Rohde.
This park is filled with life. The lives of the animals that make it their home, the lives of we Imagineers who work every day on some aspect of this place, the lives of the cast members, both on stage and behind the scenes, who make everything come together, from the rides and attractions, to the animals, to the maintenance of all of this stuff, to the field conservation work that's undertaken by our own scientists and by the Disney Conservation Fund, and the lives of all of you, our guests, who have been coming, some of you since you were children, and who have been living the life of this place and been changed by it. It's the greatest magic of all, which is this magic of the living world around us, the magic of nature. Disney's Animal Kingdom is under its spell, as it has been for 20 years, and I hope it will be for 20 times 20 more to come.
Cafe, I guess. Is that what we call it? Sure. It's going to be a cafe. And Pongu Pongu is actually a Nami phrase that means party party.
Here we have the new bird show. It's called Up, A Great Bird Adventure. And this is the one that is replacing Flights of Wonder. We're going to go check it out, see how it is.
Ooh, tell us about your furry friend. He's right up. We found him in South America. And he's trained. Shake, boy. Speak, boy.
Hi there.
The wilderness must be explored. Caw.
Share his personality in some really interesting ways. So, let's see if maybe he wants to show some of that off for us today. Yeah, you're good. There we go.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe, and you can click the link below to see the latest issue of the magazine that's got lots more details in it for you. I am Serena here for WW Magazine. We hope you have a great day, and we will see you real soon. Bye-bye.